Hello students. In my earlier video lecture, we discussed about changing role of human resource management and issues related to workforce. Okay, now in this video lecture, we discuss about the VRS scheme, that is Voluntary Retirement Scheme. Okay, so let's start with this scheme, Voluntary Retirement Scheme. In the present globalized scenario, right sizing of the manpower employed in an organization has become an important management strategy in order to meet the increased competition. The voluntary retirement scheme, that is VRS, is the most human technique to provide overall reduction in the existing strength of the employees. It is a technique used by companies for trimming the workforce employed in the industrial unit. Trim means to cut. Okay. It is now a commonly used method to dispense of the excess manpower and thus improve the performance of the organization. It is a generous tax-free severance payment to persuade the employees to voluntarily retire from the company. ओके मतलब फोर्सफुली नहीं, उनको अगर रिटायरमेंट लेनी है तो उनके लिए ये वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट स्कीम रहती है. ओके, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द गोल्डन हैंडशेक. it is the golden route to retrenchment. Downsizing of the workforce generally implemented through VRS in India and the Industrial Dispute Acts. Okay. 1947 puts restriction on employers in the matter of reducing excess staff by retrenchment, by closures of establishment, and the retrenchment process involved lot of legalities and complex procedures. Also, any plans of retrenchment and reduction of staff and workforce are subjected to strong opposition by trade unions. Hence, VRS was introduced as an alternative legal solution to solve this problem. Okay, ज़्यादा स्टाफ है तो उसको कट कैसे करें, तो इन्होंने ये स्कीम लाई है वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट स्कीम. उसमें एम्प्लॉयर का भी बेनिफिट है और एम्प्लॉयज़ का भी बेनिफिट है. It allows employers, including those in the government undertaking, to offer voluntary retirement scheme to offload the surplus manpower, and no pressure is put on any employee to exist. Okay. The voluntary retirement scheme were also not subjected to not vehement opposition by the unions, because the very nature of its being voluntary and not using any compulsion नहीं की जाती है. स्टाफ की वॉलंटरी मतलब उनकी खुद की मर्जी होती है. ओके, इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन बोथ द पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर, दोनों सेक्टर में ये इंट्रोड्यूस की गई है. Public sector undertaking, however, have to obtain prior approval of the government before offering and implementing the VRS. VRS स्कीम अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अप्लाई करने के लिए उनको अप्रूवल लगता है गवर्नमेंट का. ठीक है. Then VRS is different from downsizing. Okay, because here employee are asked to retire voluntarily and are not laid off by force. Secondly, in VRS, employees are given attractive severance package, whereas in downsizing, there are not given any monetary and non-monetary benefits. Okay. VRS refers to a scheme of an option given by the organization to its employees to retire before superannuation, that is, before the actual date of retirement. Okay, in exchange for additional severance payment and benefits, इसके बदले में उनको अच्छे से benefits जो है वो मिलते हैं. Okay, VRS is based on mutual agreement between the employer and the employees. Okay, mutual agreement रहता है employer and employees के बीच में, under which an employee agrees to voluntarily separate from the organization on payment of agreed compensation by the employer. VRS is also known as early retirement buyout because the organization buys the retirement of an employee before superannuation by paying off it. Okay, so VRS is not new to the Indian corporate sector and has been practiced in the past by many organizations, including public sector enterprises. Okay, however, the scale was not large enough to attract attention. That is, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, a public sector enterprise, launched VRS in 1988, बट वो मतलब वो जो है वो फेल हो गई थी जो वी आर एस स्कीम 1988 में लाई गई थी. देन वी आर एस केम बैक इन टू द लाइमलाइट पोस्ट. उसमें से कुछ जो लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ हैं उनको फोकस किया और वो फिर कम बैक किया वी आर एस ने इन 1991 में, व्हेन इकोनॉमिक लिबरलाइजेशन वॉज यूज्ड इन India. This time, many organizations actively sought a congenial solution to the problem of overstaffing. Sometimes that was eating into their profits without adding anything to it. VRS provided them with the solution to deal with it and become more competitive in a liberalized market. Okay. Then another point we have to study, that is reasons for offering VRS. Though the eligibility criteria for VRS varies from company to company, but usually employees who have attained 40 years of age or completed 10 years of service are eligible for voluntary retirement. The scheme applies to all employees, including workers and executives, except the directors of a company. ये स्कीम के लिए एम्प्लॉयज़, ऑल एम्प्लॉयज़, वर्कर्स एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट डायरेक्टर्स अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. ओके, द एम्प्लॉयज़ हु ऑप्ट्स फॉर वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट इज एंटाइटल्ड टू गेट 45 days emoluments for each completed year of services or monthly emolument at the time of retirement multiplied by the retirement month or service before the normal date of service, whichever is less. Along with these benefits, the employees also get their provident fund and gratuity dues. Compensation received at the time of voluntary retirement is exempt from tax under section 1010C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Okay, so there are two reasons for offering VRS by employers and employees' reason for accepting VRS. Okay, so we discuss firstly reason for offering VRS by employers. Okay, so recession is the main point. Recession in the economy forces the organization to opt VRS in order to survive. Second, when globalization has brought intense competition in terms of innovative knowledge of manpower, knowledge of technological and management systems. Every organization wants to recruit fresh management and techno workers who can adapt to the latest development easily. Thus, the old workforce is asked to retire. Then next is intense competition has led to mergers and takeovers in the economy. Every organization wants to merger or amalgamate to other to become more powerful and sustainable. These ventures keep learn structure and want to be more cost competitive. They show doors to many old workers. Okay, and lastly, at the time, a constant decline in the productivity compels the organization to get rid of the insufficient staff which is causing it. Okay, so ये reason है ऑफरिंग VRS बाय एम्प्लॉयर्स. इसके वजह से एम्प्लॉयर्स VRS ऑफर करते हैं एम्प्लॉयज़ को. ओके, नेक्स्ट है रीज़न फॉर ऑफरिंग VRS बाय एम्प्लॉयज़. उसके भी 6 रीज़न है, वो हम देखेंगे. ओके, सो एम्प्लॉयज़ may want a strategic shift in their career at any time in life. When they want to go in new career, they may ask for VRS. Some employees can sense that threat of retrenchment coming in their organization very soon. In order to look for better opportunity, they may opt for VRS. Then next is, at time employees are not satisfied with their growth and advancement in the organization. This triggers off their need to ask for VRS. Then on account of bad health, some employees find it difficult to keep up their responsibilities. They find it very fair to resign and live a comfortable retirement life. Very ambitious employees opt for VRS to start their own enterprises. For example, computer engineers generally take up their own ventures after VRS. And lastly, monetary benefits of VRS allow employees to meet their family responsibility easily. For example, construction of house, settling dependents, etc. So many employees take VRS and meet their liabilities and join other organization in the evening of their careers. Okay, so why employees reason for accepting VRS? Firstly, employees' personal financial problem. Okay, since a healthy competition is paid up front by the employee feels tempted to seek early retirement. The compensation amount so received can be utilized by the employee for meeting family members' needs, say to set up business and etc. Okay. Then secondly, employees' physical health. Failing healthy condition may compel an employee to opt for VRS and utilize the compensation amount on health improvement. Then next is extent of job satisfaction. No or low level of work satisfaction is a potent driving factor for employees to quit their job and take advantage of VRS. Fourth one is possibility of future layoffs. Possibility employees anticipating complete or partial downturn in company's business may think it wise to seek early retirement with immediate financial gain under VRS. Fifthly, inability to meet work responsibilities. If an employee find himself inadequate to perform the duties and meet the demand of his current job, he may decide to leave the organization and take advantage of VRS. And lastly, better alternative job opportunities. An employee having a better alternative employment opportunities may find the opportunity to quit the present job and enter into alternate field of work. Okay, so following are some of the common reasons for announcing a VRS scheme. Firstly, due to recession in the business. Second, due to reduced labor cost to cut off total cost of production. Then third, due to intense competition, the establishment become unavailable unless downsizing is resorted. Okay. Then fourth one, due to joint ventures with foreign collaborations. Fifth one, due to takeovers and mergers. Sixth one, due to obsolescence of product or technology. And lastly, seven, due to the need of getting rid of surplus workforce without resorting to termination of jobs. Okay, so these are some reasons for announcing a VRS scheme by employer and by employees. So ये हमने रीज़न देखे कि VRS स्कीम्स जो हैं वो क्या रहती है, कैसी रहती है, बेनिफिट्स कैसे कैसे रहते हैं, क्यों एम्प्लॉयर क्यों ऑफर करता है VRS स्कीम और एम्प्लॉय क्यों एक्सेप्ट करता है VRS स्कीम को. Okay, so if you have any query, then please message me in the comment box. Okay, see you soon in my next video lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.